Two local businesses are making waves by relocating into this historic building at the square.
This building is really a gem of Denton.
Peter Leptuck, now the proud owner, looks forward to bringing his engineering firm Denton MEP along with Rose Costumes to the downtown area with the mission to restore its former glory.
It was perfect, and we knew there would be a ton of work, but we had a good vision, and so now here we are.
And they eagerly anticipate giving others the chance to experience one of Denton's unique local shops.
It's just really exciting because it gives us an opportunity to continue to grow and stick around.
After nearly half a century since founding the business, Judy Smith is thrilled for this new chapter.
To have all that sidewalk traffic, just to have the people getting to see that we exist, it's like a new birth. I'm very excited about it.
I'm just happy I can continue on the legacy, but it's been heartwarming to see how excited people are.
It's more than just a change of location for Denton MEP and Rose Costumes, but it's a commitment to honoring the past and building for the future.
We've taken the Band-Aid off so you can see some of the old ceilings, the floors. Most of what you see is 100 years old in here.
They aim to open their doors to the public by midsummer, inviting the community to witness its transformation. In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.